Me addicted like Hennessy, addicted like weed, addicted like music, attracted.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Bakana. I'm a new YouTuber. If you stick around to the end of this video and you like it, please like and subscribe. Anyways, let's jump into it.
Every day of the week, me know you want me. You tight fat pump.
I'll be doing the ethnicity tag, and I have the questions on my phone. So let's get it started. What is your ethnicity? Well, I'm Jamaican. I was born in Jamaica. My parents are Jamaican, so but I live in America, but that's a whole different story. When was the last time you visited your country? The last time I went back home was last Christmas. So I went back for winter break. So December 2016. 2017, right? Yeah, December 2016. Name one ethnic food you enjoy the most. I love to eat, okay? But jerk chicken. I love jerk chicken. But then again, love curry chicken too. But you know what? I'm just gonna name everything I just like to eat. So I love jerk chicken, love curry chicken, oxtail. I'm not really a big, huge oxtail fan, but I'll eat it. I'm not really that much of a fan. Brown stew chicken. Brown stew chicken is my favorite. But anyways, I'd say brown stew chicken with some rice and peas. But then you can have a favorite breakfast meal too, and I love dumpling, fried dumpling, and ackee and saltfish, and that's my favorite ethnic breakfast that I like to eat. Can you just tell I like to eat? I can keep going. The list honestly keeps going. What else is there? You know what I love? I love festival. Oh my gosh! I remember the one time I went to. Sidetracking. I love jerk chicken, curry chicken, oxtail, rice and peas, ackee and saltfish, festival. Anyways, they said name one, right? Name one household item that best represents your culture. The walknut. But probably not everybody call it. I'll insert pictures of things that best represent my culture, but it's not like in your household. It's a name one household item that best represent your culture. I'd say the seasoning. So I mean, a lot of people know us for our food and our music, and I don't really have any musical household items that can represent my culture, but I can show you some curry seasoning, jerk seasoning, oxtail seasoning. You'll always find that in the kitchen, always. The chinas. I mean, oh yeah, I'll show you some other pictures. I'll just look them up online and show you, because I really don't have them in my house. I mean, if I was back in Jamaica, then I'd have it in my house, especially my grandparents' house. I'll just take a panoramic picture of the whole house, or the whole living room, or the whole bedroom, and show you, because in America, not so much, you know. Which part of the country are you from? So my family is from Trelawney, but I have family all over. As every Jamaican people have family all over, honestly. But my family is from Trelawney, and then I grew up mainly in St. Catherine, Portmore.
I'm from Portmore, that's in J.A. We can do it.
That's where I spent my last times, my last actual living times, in Jamaica, Portmore. But my family's from Trelawney. What song reminds you of your country? I'll just insert some music. What song reminds me of my country? Any Vibes Cartel song, because everybody know World Boss now. Any Popcorn song, because everybody know Popcorn. Anyways, cut them two out real quick. Any Bob Marley song. My mom is a huge Bob Marley fan. I think I'm going really fast because I only have one more question. But my mom is a huge Bob Marley fan. So she loved listening to Bob Marley, She loved dancehall too. I love dancehall. I love dancehall a lot. So I'll insert some vibe songs,
Take me for granted so much.
a popcorn
You
song,
have me addicted like Hennessy.
even alkaline song,
Then over baby feed a cocky eye.
pop song, Beanie Man when him did blow back in the day.
Pop floor against wall, we sex them up.
Well, Beanie Man still hurts, but anyways, who else? Alkaline. I already said alkaline, right? Jesus. Who else? I can play Idonia. Anytime I hear anything, you know, only person I don't really like listening to now, and whenever it comes on the radio, especially in America, it pisses me off. Sean Paul. It just. Anyways, that's not what the question. It definitely reminds me of home when it comes on because he should just stay at home. But anyways, can you speak the language of your ethnicity? Listen, guys. Listen. I speak English. English is my first language, but in Jamaica they have patois, which is broken English. A lot of unknowns, people who shouldn't put their input in, say, oh, it's not broken English. Yes, it's broken English. What do you mean? It's broken English, yes. Anyways, but every now and then, like on and off with my Jamaican friends, because they bully me when I sound like American, they always make fun of me. They always say, oh, we can't chat people when you talk, so you know. So I'm like, okay. No, because they always want to chat people. But you understand? When you did it over there in a corner, chat people, and them can't understand you and they want to pick fight with you, go on, I don't know you. But anyways, not my problem. No, but whenever I'm with my friends, when I'm with my family, not my American family either, because they just don't. No. It's just so much easier to sound like this because people understand you easier. And I moved here when I was 12, so I'm not gonna sound like I just step off the plane and I just land in America, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna sound like that. And we're not gonna sound like Rihanna either. Oh, people used to always ask me, how come you and Rihanna don't sound alike? Or let me hear you talk like Rihanna. I'm like, girl, Rihanna is not even from Jamaica. Rihanna is from Barbados. All Caribbean islands don't sound like Jamaica. Like that. This is another thing that used to get me. I'm diverging. Is that the right word? Digressing, and I digress. Not every island in the Caribbean sound the same. Not every island in the Caribbean sound the same. We all have different accents. Like even people from Barbados, like Rihanna is not gonna sound like somebody from Jamaica. Somebody from Haiti is not gonna sound like somebody from St. Lucia. Somebody from Caymans. I just heard somebody from Caymans and I heard their accent. I'm just like, that's cute. I wouldn't understand you. I mean, barely, but. Yeah, we all sound different, like honestly. And Puerto Rico's in the Caribbean, and so the Dominican Republic, and guess what? They speak Spanish, so we're all different. But yeah, I can speak the language of my ethnicity. Yeah, but that was so quick. I felt like I rushed through the whole video. I wish it was longer. I think it was only like 7 questions. Thank you guys for watching my video. Again, my name is Bakana, and like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Subscribe where you're from, or if you don't know, subscribe where you'd like to visit, and leave a recommendation, and that's if you want to. Thank you for watching. Bye.